Hello, beautiful friends. Do you love neon colors? I will be swatching this 6-color set from Beetles. It is Hema-Free. On the box, they do say Hema-Free, means that we do not intentionally add Hema ingredients. There are still acrylates in the formula. If you have an allergy to gel polishes, this one could be a little more user-friendly for you. I am really curious to see if the yellow is going to give us any issues, as it typically does in neons, as well as jelly colors. These I purchased on Temu. They were under $12 with the additional $2.99 shipping. Not with, but I mean shipping another $3. So if you don't purchase a minimum dollar amount from that particular seller, they do charge you a shipping fee. They are also on Amazon. They were under 20, I think 18 something. Of course, Amazon will get them delivered to you more quickly than Temu will typically. So if you're not in a rush, the better price, of course, is Temu, which isn't always true though. So do your shopping around. I typically always do price check several sites. The box on this collection is super cute. I am a sucker for cute packaging. So join me for the nail swatching fun, as well as watch my other videos that I have nails, educational videos on nails, aesthetics, as well as cosmetology. If you're not interested in a particular series of videos, I'm sure there is something that you will be interested in. If you are not a cosmetologist, then, don't watch the cosmetology videos. Or do watch them to see if you might be interested in learning about cosmetology. Expand your horizons with me, because I'm awesome. If there is something that you would like to learn more about, let me know in the comments. And also let me know where you're watching from. There will be many, many more videos coming, and you don't want to miss out on my coolness, my awesomeness, the education that I can provide. Do make sure that your notifications are turned on so you don't miss out. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.